Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing separate eye elements and setting your composition size and 30 FPS so motion reads smoothly. Once done, place sclere, iris, pupil, and eyelid on distinct layers and snap anchors to each iris center. That gives predictable rotation and scaling. Now immediately add a position keyframe for the pupil at frame 0 and another a few frames later where the gaze shifts. Make sure to lock background layers and name layers clearly so you never lose track while animating. You craft believable eye movement by switching to the curve editor and smoothing position keyframes with ease in and ease out so motion accelerates naturally. Once the primary pupil movement is set, parent iris and pupil to a null object to control focal shifts and apply a tiny scale or rotation offset for depth. Make sure to stagger the left and right eye timing by about 10 to 15% to avoid perfect symmetry. That small offset sells life. Finally, preview and adjust timing until it feels organic. You finish by adding blinks. Animate the eyelid mask or vertical scale for a quick close, timing the down frame shorter than the up frame for realism. Then enable motion blur on moving layers to hide microstops and export with H. 264/MP4 settings for crisp playback. If you see jitter or unexpected jumps, first verify every anchor point is centered and consistent across frames. Next, convert problematic keyframes to Bezier and slightly lengthen the transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.